Hi guys, I'm Robin and this is Piyush Chawla. We're here in this show called Night Club, and we're here to give you all the inside information and how we practice, how KKR practices, and all the inside dope about KKR, so you can get up close and personal with us and get to know everything about our team and how we're preparing for the IPL. But hang on a second, why are we doing this? Isn't this supposed to be done by somebody else?
Hi.
Hi.
It's my job.
Yes, of course it is.
So, yeah, okay. Hi, I'm Sanjana, Ami KKR. Welcome to the Night Club. यहाँ पे हम आपको देंगे हर वो जानकारी जो KKR के प्लेयर्स एक बड़े मैच से पहले करते हैं, एक बड़े मैच के बाद करते हैं, वो कहाँ जाते हैं, क्या खाते हैं, सेलिब्रेट कैसे करते हैं, सारी मस्ती और सारा धमाल। और हम आपको कुछ ऐसी बातें ही बताएंगे जो एक KKR फैन इनके बारे में नहीं जानता हो। Come on, it's for the team. I mean, cheers. Corbo Lorbo जीत दो।
Absolutely.
Well, तो KKR के हर बड़े मैच के पहले हम लाएंगे आपके लिए अंदर की खबर। तो अगर आप KKR के फैन हो तो दिस इज द राइट प्लेस, और अगर आप KKR के फैन नहीं हो तो ये शो देखने के बाद आप जरूर KKR के फैन बन जाओगे। So welcome to the Night Club.
ये मैदान मेरा है, ये आसमां भी, ये जंग मेरी है और मेरी भी। हर खुशी, हर कामयाबी मेरी है और हर चुनौती भी। इस लक्ष्य को हासिल करना मेरा सपना भी है और मेरी जिम्मेदारी भी। मैं हूं तो हम हैं, हम हैं तो जीत है। आमी KKR।
सबसे पहले बात करते हैं टीम की, प्लेयर्स एज वेल एज मैनेजमेंट। गौतम गंभीर के नाइट्स इस सीजन IPL में पूरी तैयारी के साथ उतरे हैं। आइए एक नजर डालते हैं इस पर।
न्यू सीजन, न्यू होप्स, यानी फुल तैयारी। 2015 was disappointing, but कोलकाता के लिए लेसन्स खूब थे।
2014, where we never thought that we could end up winning the IPL, we ended up doing. Last year, we thought that we were always there in the race to make it to a playoff, and suddenly at the last moment, we couldn't qualify for the playoff. So imagine these things happen, and this is how this T20 format is all about.
2015 में KKR आधे सीजन तक टेबल टॉपर था, लेकिन लास्ट 2 मैचेस हारकर टूर्नामेंट से बाहर हो गया। लास्ट सीजन टॉप ऑर्डर बैट्समैन लेट KKR डाउन। 4 बैट्समैन ने 300 से ज्यादा रन तो बनाए, बट गौतम, रॉबिन एंड मनीष वर ओनली एवरेज। इन द बॉलिंग डिपार्टमेंट KKR हमेशा की तरह बहुत कुछ एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे सुनील नरेन से, बट ही हार्डली गॉट टू प्ले एंड विदाउट हिज कैरम बॉल उनकी परफॉर्मेंस बेकार रही। KKR 2016 सीजन में उसी कोर टीम के साथ उतर रहे हैं, बट देयर आर सम न्यू फेसेस टू। न्यूजीलैंड के पावर हिटर और रिवर्स स्विप स्पेशलिस्ट कॉलिन मनरो के साथ-साथ वेस्टइंडीज के जेसन होल्डर को नाइट किया गया है। वहीं दिल्ली के मनन शर्मा और चेन्नई के आर सतीश को भी टीम में लिया गया है टू इंप्रूव द बॉलिंग। KKR ने लेफ्ट आर्म पेसर जयदेव उनडकट और ऑस्ट्रेलिया के जॉन हेस्टिंग्स को ऑक्शन में खरीदा।
Now, Chris Lynn at the top, Andre Russell at the bottom of it, and then you have Yusuf Khan in the middle. Then you have all the classical players like Gautam and Robin and Manish Pandey, who has brilliantly performed recently, Surya. So we are extremely happy with that. So you don't tinker with success.
Then there is some old wine in a new bottle. पिछले सीजन के बाद KKR के कोच ट्रेवर बेलिस को इंग्लैंड का कोच बनाया गया। इसीलिए जॉक कालिस, जो 2014 में खेल रहे थे, इस साल हैं KKR के कोच। उनको सपोर्ट करेंगे फॉर्मर ऑजी बैट्समैन और बतौर कैप्टन चैंपियंस लीग T20 जीत चुके साइमन कैटिच।
Heard a lot about Kolkata Knight Riders from a good mate of mine, Brett Lee, who played here. Obviously, I've played under Trevor Bayliss in the past at New South Wales, so I'd heard about it from him as well. And then, obviously, I'd heard a lot from my good mate Brad Hogg. So we've joked about the fact that I think that might be part of the reason I'm at Kolkata, was to help everyone keep Brad Hogg under control.
The reason why we wanted Jock was that we wanted to continue the legacy from inside to be the head coach, because there will be emotions involved, because you want to be emotional about the team which you've played for, and obviously Jock's been an unbelievable player.
दो नए कोचेस लेकिन कप्तान वही, और हो भी क्यों ना। गौतम गंभीर इज द ओनली कैप्टन अदर देन रोहित एंड धोनी जिन्होंने जीती हैं 2 IPL ट्रॉफीज।
I don't like blaming people. I think if ever I have to blame someone, it has to be me, because it starts from me and it should end at me as well. And that is what captains and leaders and players are all about.
ये छठा साल है गौतम गंभीर की कैप्टनसी का, एंड ही नोज देयर इज नो रूम फॉर एरर। IPL 2015 के बाद अपनी बैटिंग को सुधारने के लिए गौतम गंभीर ने रुख किया ऑस्ट्रेलिया का। हेल्प ली उन्होंने ऑस्ट्रेलिया के फॉर्मर बैटिंग कोच जस्टिन लैंगर की, जो उन्हीं की तरह लेफ्ट हैंडेड बैट्समैन थे।
Well, I met Justin in the Champions League, and obviously I've always been a big admirer of him. Obviously I don't idolize people as you are, but obviously I've always wanted to have a chat. Sometimes you look up to people in a way that the way his career has gone, and he's always been a hard-working player. So I had a long discussion with him over a breakfast during the Champions League, and I thought that some of the things which he told me could be really helpful for me. I heard Justin saying one thing, that what your eyes can't see, your hands can't hit, and that is, I think that's a great saying, and that does implement in cricket as well. If you can't see the ball properly, your hands will never be able to hit the ball properly.
लैंगर के साथ अपनी बैटिंग टेक्निक पर फोकस किया गंभीर ने, अपने स्टांस को किया थोड़ा ज्यादा वाइड ताकि शॉट खेलते हुए बैलेंस ठीक रहे। साथ ही काम किया गंभीर ने अपनी फिटनेस पर।
When you're doing gymnastics, when you're doing martial art, it does have an effect on the cricket field as well, because it gives you more flexibility, it gives you more quick feet as well. So they keep working on different aspects, which was great fun. The more physically strong you get, the more mentally strong you get. And after one point of time, it is very, very important to get physically strong, because, and it's not only about your cricketing career as well, it's about in general life as well. You want to work on your fitness stuff, and you want to get physically strong, and that's your personal decision as well, and you feel good about your own self.
चलिए, ये बात हुई ओपनर्स की, मगर T20 खेल है पावर हिटर्स का, और KKR की मिडिल ऑर्डर की कमान संभाली है यूसुफ पठान और आंद्रे रसेल ने। हर ऑपोजिशन के खिलाफ ये काफी खतरनाक साबित हुए हैं, और IPL 2016 में भी सारी निगाहें उन पर होंगी। Presenting to you the power hitters of KKR, Yusuf Pathan and Andre Russell.
टॉप ऑर्डर में गंभीर की बैटिंग है क्रूशियल, तो मिडिल ऑर्डर पूरी तरह से डिपेंड करता है पावर हिटिंग और ऑलराउंडर्स आंद्रे रसेल और यूसुफ पठान के बैट्स पर। लास्ट सीजन दोनों फॉर्म में थे। पठान की एवरेज थी बेमिसाल और स्ट्राइक रेट इंप्रेसिव, वहीं रसेल की एवरेज थी इंप्रेसिव और स्ट्राइक रेट बेमिसाल।
ऑब्वियसली हम दोनों जब बैटिंग में आए, जितनी भी बार भी और जितने पार्टनरशिप हमारे हुए, काफ़ी सक्सेसफुल रहे। उसका एक रीज़न ये है कि हम लोग जब भी विकेट पे खेलते थे और जब ओवर्स के बाद मिलते थे, दोनों एक दूसरे से बस एक यही बात करते थे कि see the ball, hit the ball.
You know, I enjoy batting with Yusuf because you don't really talk a lot, and you know, batting with a guy like that is giving you the opportunity to play with a free mind is also a big plus. So you know, I enjoy batting with him. You know, when he hit a boundary or hit six, you know, just like to support him and whatever, because then I don't want to think I am the only one getting runs.
अगर कोई टीम आंद्रे रसल और यूसुफ पठान से बच भी जाए तो मिस्टर सूर्य कुमार यादव से बचना मुश्किल ही नहीं नामुमकिन है। आइए मिलते हैं इस टीम के इनोवेटर से।
Another batsman who KKR rates highly but had a poor last season is 25-year-old Surya Kumar Yadav, जो डोमेस्टिक क्रिकेट मुंबई की तरफ से खेलते हैं। नजर डालें उनकी T20 पावर हिटिंग की तरफ तो साफ होता है क्यों his hitting power standard is really impressive at 95.4, which is one of the best in the IPL. यानी on his day he can hit the ball out of the park.
I mean, obviously it's a great feeling to only play for KKR because batting at any position I am comfortable, flexible in batting anywhere. Till I am winning games for KKR, batting at number 4 or finishing the game for them, I am okay with everything. But at the same time, you should know and you should have it in your back of the mind that when do you have to play those innovative strokes. But I feel to start off, you can start normally as you play in your normal games. But it is important. I mean, it's not like you should go and do it from the first ball, but innovations, they are all important. Yeah.
In fact, he is being propped up as a future superstar.
I see that he can achieve a lot in future as well. And it's about giving him that responsibility and making him feel important as well. And hopefully he can continue the legacy once I finish. Because I feel that he has that passion, he has that hunger to achieve a lot.
बैटिंग की तो बात हो गई, अब बात करते हैं बॉलिंग के बारे में, खास करके कोलकाता नाइट राइडर्स के स्पिन अटैक के बारे में। आईसीसी ने तो सुनील नारायण के बॉलिंग एक्शन को क्लियर कर दिया है, मगर फैमिली रीजंस की वजह से वो पहला गेम नहीं खेल पाएंगे। मगर केकेआर का जो स्पिन अटैक है, जो गेंदबाज है, बहुत ही ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग है और सुनील नारायण ना हो तो और सही, बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस हैं उनके पास। और इस ईडन गार्डन्स के स्पिन फ्रेंडली पिच पे उनका परफॉर्मेंस बेहतरीन होगा। और एक टीम में 2 चाइनामैन बॉलर्स होना एक रेयर कमोडिटी है।
बॉलिंग की बात करें तो केकेआर का फॉर्मूला है स्पिन टू विन। ईडन गार्डन्स की पिच भी देती है स्पिनर्स का साथ, इसलिए हर तरह की स्पिन ऑप्शन है इनके पास। स्पिनर्स की टोली को लीड करेंगे सुनील नारायण, जिनका एक्शन हो गया है क्लियर, और इसमें शामिल है 2014 में केकेआर के लिए टूर्नामेंट का विजय शॉट मारने वाले लेग स्पिनर पीयूष चावला। साथ है 2 लेफ्ट आर्म चाइनामैन बॉलर, एक सीनियर तो एक जूनियर। 45 साल के ब्रैड हॉग है आईपीएल के ओल्डेस्ट प्लेयर, वहीं कुलदीप हैं उनके स्टूडेंट।
It was very good experience for me actually when I first met Brad Hogg, and especially from Brad Hogg I learned a flipper, how to bowl flipper actually. He told me during nets, and I've been practicing a lot during nets also, and after the IPL gets over I started learning that flipper ball in practice session also, so it's really helped me a lot.
Hoggy, he's great to have around the dressing room. In all seriousness, he's still a very, very good leg spinner, and he did very well for Kolkata last year, but he's obviously one of a number of players that play a role for the team.
बैटिंग अच्छी है और बॉलिंग भी, कैप्टन सुपर्ब है और ओनर भी। शाहरुख खान, नाम तो सुना ही होगा।
I assure you, we get very saddened that we have not been able to perform. They've never been so sad at a film of mine which has not done well. I have sat in my house and cried when we have lost disgracefully.
Well, very emotional moment there.
That's why I was wearing dark glasses, so you don't see my tears.
It was total Stevie Wonder moment.
But looked like that too, yeah.
But on a more serious note, how do you deal with when your team loses? What do you do to not let yourself down and keep the team spirit up?
You know, more than them, I kind of whatever little faith a father can instill in his children is about, getting things right. So, when they used to go wrong, I'd say, don't worry, it'll be all right. Don't worry, it'll be all right. But when KKR started losing after me telling them every day, no, don't worry, it'll be all right, and it still lost, they kind of lost faith in me. They're like, shut up, you.
What do you have to say about that?
Well, you see, the way I behave normally and have been behaving on cricket fields, it's no surprise my team talks the same way. So I can't be, holier than thou and tell Gautam not to look like this, or any of the other guys who get angry. I think my team is not angry, they're passionate. I like to say passionate. So you'll have to change that element from anger and gussa to passion.
Okay. So, but talking about Gautam Gambhir, why is he always so Gambhir? Why is he so angry? So serious? Why so serious?
That's how he's been named. Why do you think a parent would name him Gambhir if he wasn't going to be like this?
I don't think his last name was given to him by his dad.
Maybe it runs in the family.
Have you ever had to tell him to be calm?
No, not at all. Yeah, he's very sweet actually. He just looks like that. But they get pissed off once in a while. That's all. They're sorry.
You get passionate quite often.
Have you ever seen me misbehave on a cricket field?
Have you ever lost your cool with the team?
No, most of my team, except a few guys, bigger and taller than me, and I don't mess with people who are bigger and taller than me, except you. I'll take you on.
पूरी दुनिया SRK की फैन है और मैं भी हूँ, क्यों ना हो। अब SRK से बेटर इंस्पिरेशन मिलेगा KKR को। Well, इसलिए अब हम देखेंगे कि हमारे KKR के स्टार्स कैसे शाहरुख खान से इंस्पिरेशन ड्रॉ करके उनकी तरह बनना चाहते हैं। देखो देखो। मदन, तुमने कहा कि इस सीजन you're going to meet शाहरुख खान for the first time.
Yes.
आपकी तैयारी क्या है?
तैयारी आप करवाओगे?
So, Jaideep, are you a big Shah Rukh Khan fan?
Yes, I am.
How big?
This big.
What do you know about SRK?
Well, I know that he's everywhere. He's all over my TV screen. He's obviously a very famous Bollywood actor, a very famous actor around the world as well.
Don को पकड़ना
Don को पकड़ना
मुश्किल ही नहीं नामुमकिन है
नामुमकिन है दिल तो
सभी के पास होता है मगर सब दिल वाले नहीं होते। एंड फाइनली सेन्योरिटा, बड़े बड़े देशों में ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती हैं।
I think it's the other way around. बड़े बड़े देशों में ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती है सेन्योरिटा।
लेते हैं एक ब्रेक। मैं भी SRK, मैं भी KKR। I think I need a break. आप भी ले लो। But on the other side of the break, we have for you exclusive behind the scenes footage और मिलवाएंगे आपको गौतम the father से, only on Night Club.
KKR.
वेलकम बैक टू नाइट क्लब। अगर आप एक KKR फैन हो तो आप बिल्कुल सही जगह आए हो। दिस इज द अल्टीमेट डेस्टिनेशन फॉर अ KKR फैन। और ब्रेक से पहले हमने आपको गौतम गंभीर द कैप्टन से मिलाया था। अब हम आपको मिलाएंगे गौतम गंभीर द ऑफ फील्ड फैमिली मैन से। गौतम जितने ही टीम मैन है उतने ही फैमिली मैन भी है और IPL 2014 में उनकी जिंदगी ने एक खुशी ने जन्म लिया। आइए आगे की कहानी उनसे सुनते हैं।
Look, obviously, that was one of the toughest moments in my cricketing career, no doubt about that. Obviously, never thought that I would start the IPL as a captain and with 3 ducks and a single in first 4 games. So it was tough as a leader, it was tough as a batsman as well, it was tough as a sportsman as well to motivate yourself. And then Azeen was born and things changed, and I think things changed and changed for good. And when I look back at things from where I started to where we finished, was kind of a miracle. Her sound sleep, there's nothing on her mind. It just makes you feel that you're in heaven. Obviously, I want to see her go to school. I want to drop her to school as well. I want to do all these kind of stuff because these things you can't do it because these things only happen once in your lifetime. So you don't want to miss out on these small things because ultimately it's these small things which gets you a lot of satisfaction and happiness. can't be a strict father, not at all. I think I can never be a strict father. I think the only thing I can do with my little one is to pamper her. I hope when she grows up, she sees me as someone who's achieved what I could. And one thing that I want to see myself in the mirror is that I gave everything possible I had to achieve whatever I could and try and succeed as much as I can, and through hard work, not through anything else. Absolutely through hard work, and that is what I'm going to ingrain in her as well, that there is no shortcut to hard work. She's got to work hard for whatever she wants to achieve, and because if I can do it myself, that what you can do is what you can tell your child as well.
दिन रात प्रैक्टिस और क्रिकेट के अलावा क्रिकेटर्स के और भी बहुत सारे कमिटमेंट्स होते हैं। अब हम लेके चलेंगे आपको कुछ बिहाइंड द सीन्स फन दिखाने। हमारे पास है कुछ एक्सक्लूसिव अनसीन फुटेज जो आपने कहीं भी नहीं देखा होगा। आइए देखते हैं केकेआर के क्रिकेटर्स क्या मजे कर रहे हैं। There's a reason why the IPL is so entertaining. Players are expected to do much more than just cricket. Right now, we're behind the scenes at a TVC shoot, and let's find out what's happening.
So one thing I can't understand about this, we've got makeup here, trying to make these guys look a little lighter and us a little darker, so
yeah, very excited. It's the first one for the IPL 2016. I'm a little bit nervous. There was rumours going around and we need to take our shirts off, so that's why I'm actually in the corner here trying to do a couple of push-ups and a couple of sit-ups so I can get my old body in some sort of shape. But yeah, my strategy is just to get a feel for the whole sort of set and yeah, to get comfortable. I'm actually very camera shy.
Do I need makeup?
No.
That's a rude comment.
No, I'm sorry, because we're in the makeup room and...
I know I'm 45, but surely I don't need makeup, yeah.
So what makes you most nervous about today's shoot, if anything at all?
Morno getting his shirt off.
That makes you nervous.
If I put a stand next to him, it's just going to be a headshot of me. He's so tall, and just this upper body, it's not going to look that good. What's this translation? Is that an app?
Say Behan Suno Nagan.
Bang Sugar Nagan. Is this an app?
John, how did it go?
Yeah, good. Just trying to show off the new logo for the sponsors. Shakib's in there now. He's going to have big smiles, so that was all good.
All right, but you're a man of action, you're a pacer. How difficult was it for you to stay still there?
Yeah, I needed a ball to throw up or do something, but no, it wasn't too bad.
All right,
it was nice and easy, nice and quick.
All right, so are you comfortable posing and
Not overly. I don't have any hair left, so I've got nothing to... My face isn't exactly beautiful, so...
Right. Well, it's been a long day of posing in front of the camera.
Oh, yes.
Now? Again?
Kolkata fans, hopefully we can do the right thing by you, and it's great to be back in India as well, so thanks for having us.
कोलकाता नाइट राइडर्स के आईपीएल के सफर में ऑन द फील्ड तो बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस हैं, पर इस सीजन हमने कुछ चैलेंजेस सेट किए ऑफ द फील्ड। आइए जानते हैं इस सीजन कौन बनेगा केकेआर का बॉस। Net sessions of KKR, and we've stolen Piyush and Chris away from practice so that we could do a little challenge with them. So this challenge is called living on the edge.
You're saying
Simple.
living on the edge, right?
Yes.
My bat is like an edge, but not his. His edge is as good as face of the bat. So how to go about it then?
How are we going to go about it?
We
Chris?
swap our bats? No, that's all right.
Okay, boys, enough of trash talk. Let's start.
1-0. Please say it. I was trying to save you, that's why I dropped
sorry,
it, you know?
sorry. And round two. 1-1, one for Chris and one for Piyush, and now we have the final, the decider of who's going to be the Living on the Edge champion. Go!
God.
And there we have it, a clear winner in Chris Lynn. We don't know if it was his skill or the fact that his bat is thicker than Piyush's, which made him win.
Champion.
Well, we hope you like this episode. अगर आप KKR के fan हो तो आपको ज़रूर मज़ा आया होगा. Keep watching the Star Sports Network for more inside KKR stories. That's all we have on this episode of the Night Club. And remember, KKR के मैच से पहले, this is your one-stop shop for all things KKR. Korbo lorbo jeet bore. Tumi KKR, Ami KKR.
Ami KKR. Ami KKR.